Personal trainer Lindsey Day and her father are going to lead you through what they call the Dad-Bod Blaster workout. Check it out.
I'm here with my dad for Father's Day weekend. He is the king of the Dad-Bod and the dad jokes.
Hey, this bod is no joke, let me tell you.
I know, but I think you look more like the Pillsbury Doughboy.
Yeah, well, you say I'm a crusty, flaky old man? I thought I was a role model.
I mean, you could say either one, but all right, Dad, here's what we're going to do. We're going to lead all the dads out there for a Father's Day Dad-Bod Blaster workout.
So what do I get out of it?
Good point. Okay, men like a challenge, so how about this? If you do this workout successfully, I will cook you a steak, and all the kids out there, cook your dad a steak if he does this workout.
Well, the stakes are high, then I'm in.
All right, let's do it. You're going to need a golf club,
All right.
a golf ball,
Ooh, orange, I love it.
and your favorite six-pack of beer,
Yes,
which you picked appropriately.
I got to get rid of this spare tire
Yeah.
with
All
this.
right. So I'm going to have you lay on the ground.
All right.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
Those joints are getting old.
Oh, they are.
Yeah. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. This is called a Russian side twist, but we are putting a twist on this ab workout. You're going to take a bottle out, and you're going to twist it to the other side. You have to do all six. Twist from one side to the other, and then once you get all six, you have to twist it back.
It's certainly better than a flat tire.
Back into the hole.
Six-pack abs, that's what I'm looking
Yeah.
for.
All right, next exercise. Are you ready for it?
Ready. Let's do it.
Okay, grab your golf club. You're going to start with it parallel to the ground,
Okay, let's
up
go.
to the sky. And remember, you're keeping your back flat to slightly arched and pushing your hips back and bringing it down to your foot.
Okay, let's go. One.
Yeah, all right, here we go. 10 each side. 1, 2, 3.
I think I'd rather be in the oven with the dough ball.
Last few right here. Breathe in, breathe out. There you go.
All right, one more. Okay.
And done.
All right.
Got it. Final exercise. Golf club goes on the ground. You have to balance the golf ball on your back. So you keep stepping. There we go. Back flat, butt
A
down.
ball on the back?
Ball on the back, butt down.
I've heard of ball on the jack.
If your butt doesn't go down a little bit more, the ball's gonna fall. There we go. That's all right. Do the best you can. It's hopeless. One more. And you got it. All right. How'd you feel?
Tired.
You did it.
Speaking of tired,